Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simplest form part 2. This lesson is a continuation of the previous video. More examples will aim to help with further understanding. Write each of the following fractions in simplest form. So our first example is 9 over 18. We can easily see that 9 and 18 are easily divisible by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1, 18 divided by 9 is 2, so the simplest fraction is a half. Example 2, 12 over 18. We can see that 12 and 18 are easily divisible by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2, 18 divided by 6 is 3, so the simplest fraction is 2 over 3. Example 3. 18 over 45. Both 18 and 45 are divisible by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So the simplest fraction is 2 over 5. 36 over 84. Both 36 and 84 are divisible by 2 because they're both even numbers. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 84 divided by 2 is 42. So we have 18 over 42. They are both divisible by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 42 divided by 6 is 7. So the answer is 3 over 7. Now, as I said in the previous video, these are very, very straightforward if you know your tables. And the more you practice your tables, the easier these sums will become. Example 5, 32 over 48. Both even numbers, that means they're both divisible by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 16 and 24 are both divisible by 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 24 divided by 8 is 3, so the answer is 2 over 3. 45 over 75. Now, since they both end in 5, we know for a fact that they're both divisible by 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 75 divided by 5 is 15. Now, both 9 and 15, they're divisible by 3. You can see that quite easily. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the answer is 3 over 5. 56 over 80. They're both even numbers, so they're divisible by 2. And when you divide 56 by 2 and you divide 80 by 2, you get 28 over 40. It's quite easy to see that each of these numbers here is divisible by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 40 divided by 4 is 10. So the answer is 7 over 10. And finally, 80 over 96. Again, they're both even numbers, both divisible by 2. 80 divisible by 2 is 40. 96 divisible by 2 is 48. So we have 40 over 48. They're both divisible by 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5. And 48 divided by 8 is 6. So the answer is 5 over 6. So please keep practicing your times tables, and that will help you in many, many areas of mathematics.